Hello, Elementor enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. In this video, we'll be introducing you to Elementor Bootstrap Elements, a game-changing collection of 63+ free widgets that will revolutionize the way you create websites. We'll be focusing on the basic widgets in this video, so let's jump right in. To begin, let's head over to the plugin settings and install and activate the plugin. Don't worry, I'll provide the plugin link in the video description for your convenience. The first widget we have is the Accordion. With the Accordion FAQ Elementor widget, you can display your text in a foldable and concise way, making it perfect for FAQs and organizing information. Next up, we have the Gallery Justified widget. It's a professional-grade widget that assists you in creating stunning justified galleries with a wide range of customization options, ensuring that your images truly shine. With this widget, you can effortlessly create amazing galleries featuring captivating hover effects. Additionally, you have the flexibility to adjust the transition duration, enhancing the visual experience. Let's explore the settings and unleash the full potential of this remarkable widget. The Flip Box widget brings a cool 3D interactive effect to your website. You can use it as a banner, showcase your company's services, or explore other creative uses. Next, we have the Fancy Text Widget. This widget offers a collection of animated styles that allow you to create visually appealing marketing messages. With its user-friendly options, you can easily customize and craft attention-grabbing text animations. Are you looking to make your content stand out? The Drop Caps widget lets you display the first letter of a paragraph in a stylish, large, and capitalized format. Let's move on to the Video Popup. Video Popup widget allows you to build video pop-up on your Elementor website. The advanced testimonial appears as the final item in this video's list. I will showcase the remaining widgets in my upcoming videos. With this widget, you have the ability to construct a layout grid or a slider specifically designed for testimonials. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more web design tips and Elementor plugin reviews. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.